If you want to download HD videos from x.com, also known as Twitter, this video will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to know that downloading videos directly from X is only available if you have X Premium, Basic, or Premium Plus. So before you start, make sure your account has one of those plans active. Once that's confirmed, open x.com in your browser and find the video you want to download. You can do this from your home feed, a profile page, or by searching for the post that contains the video. When you have the video open, look for the video settings. This is usually found by clicking the three-dot menu or the settings icon on the video post. Once you click it, a menu will appear with different options related to that video. From that list, select Download Video. As soon as you choose that option, X will begin downloading the video directly to your device. In most cases, it will save in high quality, which makes this a great way to keep a clean copy of the clip without using third-party websites or risky download tools. After the download finishes, you can open your files or downloads folder and play the video right away. That's all there is to it. With X Premium, Basic, or Premium Plus, downloading HDX.com videos is quick, simple, and built right into the platform. No extra apps, no complicated steps, just a few clicks and you're done. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.